See?
Holy shit!
Yeah, let's just. I'm just mad we listed the article.
Wait, can you see now?
No, not that much. My green screen recorder doesn't work, so.
Like this?
Let's just go put a Pokemon on it. Let's go. The things I do for Pokemon. Gosh dang, don't hit me. The gym was only up here. Wait. Stop. The gym was only up here with an Articuno. Gosh dang it, bro.
Yeah, we should probably head back right now.
No, let's not head back. We're gonna put a Pokemon now that we're here.
Alright, we're pretty done.
Yeah, we're pretty darn far, but if we get killed or raped, it's all your fault.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Boop! Whoa!
No! I just hit it completely. Yeah, I got it on you, right?
I mean, I wetted it.
No, get away from me. Get away from me.
I mean, you're sure still.
Hey, look, what is that? What's a hole? Alright, stop it. Oh, wait, we're on the gym. I wish I recorded that we had an Articuno up here. Oh, wait, gyms are not Pokestops.
No, they're.
No, they're not Pokestops.
No, they're.
Not with the update, gosh dang it. No, phone, don't do this to me right now.
Wait, which one did I wet?
You went this one. Both
No.
of them, technically. So,
They're not.
and this one, I haven't played Pokemon Go for like a year. Whoa. Add a Pokemon. What should we add?
What do you mean, that?
I can put a Pokemon on here.
Pikachu.
Screw Pikachu.
Raichu.
Raichu, screw Raichu. Oh shit. It looks like there's a rapist car right behind us.
I got you, man. I got you.
I think he's about to kill us. Shut up.
Got one more one.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, there's only a lot percent. We're about to die out here. The things we do for Pokemon and this thing is not working.
We're Slenderman.
He's over there. Just stop wetting your stupid gun.
It's not a gun. It's a web shooter.
I'm gonna kill you. Hey, at least it looks like I'm sweaty. Perfect thumbnail.
So you
No,
ready for
no,
more?
chill.
You ready for
Chill.
round one?
No, let's not. You know, we should just. Yeah.
We should just leave.
Yeah, we should leave, but you know, we gotta. Oh, okay. CP. No, CP.
Hurry up and do the goddamn video. Oh yeah, you're already recording.
Yeah, I'm already recording, you idiot. And it looks like there's a ton of rapist cars right behind us, but we're about to die, but we don't care because,
We're savages.
no, we're not.
Oh shit, car behind us.
Do you want to leave Squirtle to defend the gym? Fuck it.
Yes.
I might have to, you know, kill someone. Hey, chill. Oh, your feet are exposed.
Exposed.
You're not Spider-Man, sir.
Mister, don't show my face. I'm not ready for the face reveal.
Shut up. Fuck you. I don't even know.
Million subscribers on his phone. Whatever.
Okay.
No, that's just.
Let's just turn off the phone. Yeah.
You should restart the game.
What do you think I'm doing? Yeah, sure.
Rapist car.
Okay, stop.
Just push you.
Just stop. I'm still recording this, you know, right?
Oh.
You idiot. I think we're safe here. Yeah. Yeah, let's just wait for this to work. Cool.
Why?
Oh,